Sexy, huh? Kannst auch machen. Screw.
I am very excited to show you our beautiful DIY roof rack in this episode of our van conversion. We'll share the best Pilzkopfhalter, our special details, and how much we've spent on this low-budget beauty.
I think you were born to do this.
I feel a little bit like I'm back in France at La Loire, where we used to get our baguette in the morning with our bicycle. That's my first task. I'm gonna put this on the roof and I need to find a place which is even. I have a place in mind. I'll show you. I'll just need one of them because I'm gonna put my solar panels, I don't know how to say in English, but in one, not parallel. I found a nice place. I'm gonna screw it with this machine like this, and I can put the cable inside the frame to the back. That's the perfect spot. It's not the best place for protecting your van from rust. Okay, what's next? The mushroom heads on the roof. Let's see which one I got. Yeah, I got some Pilzköpfe from DeltaVan. You can get any mushroom heads you need for any car on their website, and I got some really special ones. They have 87 degrees and they are perfect for Fiat Ducato H1 and H2. Another special thing, you can choose the height, and that's really nice because I want my DIY roof rack as close as possible to my roof. Let's see if they fit, and thank you very much DeltaVan for sponsoring this video. I guess you have to put them like this. Yeah, it seems straight like this. If you put it the other way, it gets even more. Screw. Screw. This one in that direction.
Okay, let's see. What are our requirements? We wanted special Pilzkopfhalter to choose the height. We have 2 roof windows, and on top of one of those we will put a kind of hatch to cover the back window to have a huge, beautiful terrace.
I hope you can see it, but it fits perfect.
We have a very special thing planned for the terrace, so subscribe to our channel, don't miss it. And another special thing is our canoe. Where do we put that?
No! My bread is ready. I have to put it out. Ah! If just said, touch it. If it's a little bit hard, take it out. If it's too soft, let it in there for a few minutes. What does that mean? It feels soft and hard and together. Okay, back to work. Okay, I'm done. Looks really good. They fit perfect. If you want the same mushroom heads, then check out our description. There is a special link for you. You will get a discount and then you will get a very, very fair price. And check out their website DeltaVan. They have a lot of equipment there, a lot of nice stuff. You will find everything you need for your DIY roof rack. I will use Decacil 8936 for this thing, for the solar cables, because if I use this one I can't take it off if it's broken. I think this one should be strong enough. back. We were skiing for 1 week in Austria, but I'm really glad to be back at my camper, and I'm gonna continue with the roof rack. I'm trying to figure out which height I need, this one or that one, but I want this one because it's closer to the roof. Yeah, and I need to cut those things. Oh, it feels good to be back. It's really nice that you can choose the height, because that's exactly what I need. I don't want it here, I don't want it here, I want it in this specific hole. That's what I meant with the 87 degrees. It looks really straight. Ah! These are the only ones I found with 87 degrees from DeltaVan, and it works. So I'm happy to have them. These are just normal ones for the house roof, and I only have 2 of them. Very minimalistic, but I think it will work out and I think it will look great. I don't know what's the brand called again. I think IBC Solar. It's a German brand. So if you want to have the same. Our seat just arrived. We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, that was not so smart. I put this thing last week. Now I have to put in the cable. It works, but this thing fell off. I think I'm not able to put that in. So I have to take it off and glue it again. Let's see if you can take off the decal. Wow, it's very strong. Oh, I don't want to. Okay, our battery will be here. So my idea is to put the cable right through this frame here, down, and to the battery. Yeah, I need this wire to get around the corner. That's good enough for now. I'm gonna cut the wood for the roof because I want to paint it. Safety first. It's not brilliant, but it works. I think the wood is too bright, and I got these 2 from my dad. It's kind of a paint lasur, something special for wood. And they are both pretty dark, but this one is a little bit brighter. I guess it's walnut. I'm going to try them on a little leftover piece. I couldn't finish yesterday, so I'm still cutting wood. I'm fucking tired. This is how it looks after the first layer. It took 2 hours, I guess. I need a break.
We got lots of our stuff for our roof rack from Nico's brother, but you can always get your solar panels from the solar guy next door. You don't have to buy extra ones for a camper, because they are much more expensive most of the time. And Nico checked with the TÜV, and as long as you have Pilzkopfhalter and won't screw your roof rack right onto the roof, everything's good.
I hope that was the last time that I have to do this.
How much money does this roof rack cost? It's 150 euros for the Pilzkopfhalter, 120 euros for the solar panels, 100 euros for the tracks, and 100 euros for the wood. Would you have thought it is more expensive or less expensive?
Today's the day I will finish the roof rack. I have a little bit work ahead of me, not too much, but I want to get this thing more stable. So I'm gonna put some wood underneath that, a little bit paint here, and then screw it. Let's see if we can get the GoPro underneath the solar panel so that you can actually see something. Maybe like this. Oh my god, I finished the roof rack and it looks amazing. Such a great feeling. I'm gonna show you. Here's a little hidden window. Oh, one more thing. These two guys here for the canoe and a decent terrace, I guess. Oi! And it looks stable. I'm happy. But now it's time for the weekend. I did a lot this week and I'm exhausted. I need to rest and I need to see the Black Forest. So see you guys.